Today we will see the looping statements. When we use the looping statement is, if we want to print a statement so many times, we can use the looping statements. First of all, first looping statement is for loop. Syntax of for loop is for initialization, condition, increment and the statement. Example is for int I equals to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, print the value hello world. How it actually works means, first I equals to 0, then checks the condition. If condition is true, enter into the loop and print the value hello world. Then it again increment one value, again checks the condition. If condition is true, again enter into the loop and print the value hello world until the 5 time. After the condition is false, then it come out from the loop. Now we will see the while loop. Syntax of while loop is while condition, then statement, incrementer. Now we see the example program. While I less than 5, printf hi. We have to print this value for the 5 times. In for loop we initialize the value here only, but in the while loop we initialize value first. Advance we initialize value I equals to 0. Now I equals to 0, it checks the condition. If condition is true, enter into the loop and print the value high, and again increment one value, again checks the condition. If condition is true, print value high, again increment one value, again checks the condition. If condition is true, again enter into the value and print value, again increment one value, again checks the condition. If condition is true, then it print the value. So output is 5 times high, 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 high. Now we will see the do while loop. Do while loop. Syntax of do while loop is do open brace statements, incrementer, while, condition. Now we will see the example. First int, suppose I equals to 0, do printf hi I plus plus, while condition I less than 5. Here we see the condition. How it actually works means, int I equals to 0, first I is 0, then it is enter into the loop. First time it doesn't check any condition, it can be print one value for first time. If it is true or false, then also it can be print first time I. Then it is increment one value, I equals to 0 now, then I equals to 1, then checks the condition. If condition is true, again enter into the loop, print the value high, again increment one value, again check the condition. If condition is true, again enter into the loop, again enter into print the value, again increment until the condition is false. When if the condition is false, then it is come out from the loop. So here also I for the 5 terms. Here we see major difference between the for loop, while loop. For loop means, here first we have do while loop means first one time print without checking the condition. While loop is we can check the condition only, we can print execute the value, print the value. And for loop is different. So these are the basic difference between the while loop, do while loop and for loop. So these are all execute the same work, do the same work. These are all print the so many times, one statement print the so many times. So we can using the loops. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and understand the content, please share and subscribe the video.